dissent by a commissioner within a commission or even one person within a board. We also intended to petition office of the president, and I'm saying this very deliberately, the office of the president, with evidence that the cost of food, fuel, electricity, and fees remain unacceptably high. Further, we wanted to petition that office to desist from destroying political parties. And I've emphasized, because we are saying there is an illegitimate regime, we separate the office from persons. The third office we were to visit is the National Treasury, where we wanted to petition for the immediate release of all funds owed to counties and for the timely payment of salaries to all civil servants. The fourth office we were to visit is the Public Service Commission, where we planned to demand that appointments to public offices be done purely on merit and inclusivity, not tribe, as is presently the case. We strongly feel that it is immoral and criminal in a country of close to 50 communities for appointments to go on to members of one community. Unfortunately, our members of parliament and gunshots and other forms of brutality. We know why we could not be allowed to present a petition to OP on cost of food. There has been an attempt by the illegitimate Kenya Kwanza regime to mislead the people of Kenya that the cost of unga has come down. The truth is that it has not, and we wanted to prove it. We also wish to let Kenyans know that the new unga brands that they are retailing